Yo, this new tool is amazing. It makes it so much easier to properly install it, because if you want to install a new chain on your motorcycle, you need a chain, brake and rivet tool like this one from Arcade Chains. I got this in order to install the chain on the Harley-Davidson Sportster off-road build, and I am very, very impressed with it. Previously, I always worked with this tiny cheap one off Amazon, and it definitely gets the job done. But now that I use this one, I noticed that this tool has so many more kind of like safety features built into it. With this, it's very easy to mess the master link up, and then you have to buy a new one, get the old one off, and it's just a pain. This one makes the whole job so easy. The first thing that you need to do is to break the chain. For that, you get this very long pin. You just secure the tool on the chain, and then you use a 14mm wrench to push the pin out of the chain. That separates your chain. And then the next step is that you want to press the plate of your master link onto the chain. For that, you get this little piece, and you can use it for rivet style master links or clip style master links. You just have to switch this little pin to the opposite side. And here you get the first safety feature of this tool, and that is this little cutout in this plate. So once you have this main part aligned with the plate that you want to press onto your master link, you tighten the main bolt, and then once it's far enough on there, the two pins will push against the wall inside the cutout, and that secures that the master link plates have the perfect distance so the link doesn't bind. If you don't use a tool like this, it can happen that the two plates get pressed on too far, and then the master link will bind, which means that it doesn't move freely, and then you have a weak link in your chain. So this was very, very nice to use, because it just takes the guesswork out of it. And when measuring with a digital caliper, it actually comes very close to all of the other links. So that is the first nice feature of this tool. And then you basically take everything back apart, and then you have these little pins that you put in for the riveting process. And here you have the next super, super nice feature, and that is that this little piece that actually presses the rivet open has a second safety feature installed, and that is this little ring on the outside. So that stops the rivet when it's far enough spread open. So that makes sure that you don't overstretch the rivet and crack it, which is super, super nice. I still went a little bit careful on the first rivet, just because when you spread that rivet open, it can feel like you're already far enough. But then I just took the tool off, measured with the digital caliper, because in the instructions, it gives you the desired width of the rivet when it's fully opened, and that is 5.55mm. So I actually took the tool off quite a few times just to measure. So once you know how it actually feels, you can definitely notice the difference between opening the rivet and once it's fully opened, where this bolt doesn't go any further without overstressing the rivet. So those two features make it super easy to install your rivet style master link on your motorcycle chain. And yeah, I'm just very impressed with this tool. It is a little pricey. I think I paid about 90 bucks for it, but compared to the cheap one, it is such a breeze to work with. And just think about how much money you save with not having to buy this tool, and then potentially not having to buy like 2-3 more master links if you mess up at some point, because with this, it can happen very easily. This one is just so nice to use. This one works for 520, 525, 530, 532 sealed and unsealed chains. And then if you buy separate adapter pieces, you can also use the main body for 428 chains. So if you're in the market for a chain, brake and rivet tool, I can definitely recommend you this one. And if you want to watch a video about the transition of the Harley-Davidson Sportster into a dirt bike, then I'm gonna link it right here. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.